From same village.
From CWC got up on money, but I found out doctor, Apostle of Mazing, not to look for money.
As pastors.
Yeah,
Then be pastors for us.
una che becomes here is the via so really that have a fun
The window Nena, Mamapolisa, Varibit, they are Rababilis and Sanford, but Bangada was the tablet of Mushu, giving us a lot of Paspano and Kakatan, Gatano, Barco, some of the Jarpa, so do not any case in the Rabacaro Life. People come up with and the Unazi project is located. Renava Nandi, Renavo Ninguza, whenever more really man. She knows what is the mission of the only to Salini, Gamanda, we were Takavash. The Christian is Sabafus. We are praying for you, Raniraya, Rabel, Ranifunza, Maranichuka, Chinela Pita, and never fetch up to Lama. Gauri, Bonori, Mitar Kuruza, the Kuruza Navana. God is the father, Sarah, Faronga, the Tony Mangori, Jesus to Zitua Pandava, Lazule Case, Yanone Ravanai, Ukurana Mufumaka Pandava, and the Richie one of Tanzania at home, Spiga Chinja, the Zulach Corona, Achiach, Farisa, Achit Samran, Zazula Katita got to Tofu or to Samran, Galap Lady, and with Divisa and Kanabao, Anua Maharai Party, Yaure, Makazu and Gatuni Ua, Gorno to Samran. Mara Mangara, Giver of Onofaro, Lamfukazo on Murai. National Kotaka or confirm, Radical Rabbi, Rajazo confirm, or confirm or Yen Star. And that's what there are 40 Zimuri, the Rabbi of Roka Kaga. Yes, we got a really serious problem here in Vhanwe district. So we've got a lot of cases for family violence. So we've got really many projects which deal with a man, a really man. Because we've got another project for really men which is under language. Always call the men to come and discuss about the family. So we used to be with them because we are a pastor. So we pray for the family to be well. See, we pray as a pastor. We need all families to be protected by God and also to really get life in peace and harmony. So that's why now we're so very worried about this case of what is done here. So we got this man, this Livhu. So we got a problem with him because always we heard that he used to fight with his wife in front of the children, which is wrong. So children, they must not have to see if parents are fighting. We must not have to make them to know and to see how we fight. So it's better for us to be inside our bedroom. Then we can discuss the issues. Because we've got a lot of projects, we've got a lot of departments, like social workers, they are here for that. So if you've got a problem at our family, please contact us as a pastors. Then we're going to pray for you, we're going to give you a counseling. So that's why we don't understand why this continuously happen. So what I'm advising to the government is, I think this law for a life in prison, we can make it a life in prison. The one who commit crime like killing, like rape. So it's better for our government to change this law. Make that anyone who find guilty of murder or rape, they must live in jail. Their life must remain in jail. They must not have to go out like a parola. They must not get a parola. They must rot in jail. Leave them to be there the whole of their life until day for death come. I think our government must have to change this law. Because if they say it's life, because they've already cancelled that death, you know. So now I just advise the government, it's better for this to leave these people until they met with their death at jail. I think that will be the best. Because people that are killing people because they know that they are going to be out in jail. So we think our government will take care about this. So we want our God to stop this because we are really tired. Every now and then we hear that, oh, men kill wives, kill children. So this must come to the end. We are praying to our God, and God will do something about this. Ndiko advise muvhuso uri ndi khwine u tshi tenda wa tshintsha mulayo hoyu mulayo u tshi tshintshiwa uve u tshi khou amba uri muthu a wanala mulandu une wa vha kha schedule 5 hoyu livhuwani u kha schedule 6 mulandu mulanesa. Zwino vhathu vho raliho ro vha ndi tshi khou risa vhafunzi ro imela Yehova mudzimu washu ngauri mulayo wori vhathu kha vha wanele mulandu vha vhulaiwe wo fhelisiwe. Zwino nṋe ra ri khou ri ndi khwine muvhuso u sedze hoyu mulayo nga nḓila ya khwine ya uri muthu a wanala mulandu kha tou dzula dzhele u swikela a tshi fa a dzhele a songo vhulawa nga muthu. Ḓuvha ḽawe ḽo fa ḽi swike a dzhele a fe a dzhele ngori vhathu vha khou vhulaya vhathu vha tshi ḓivha zwori u ḓo wana beila ya nḓatshi. Vhathu vha khou vhulaya vhathu vha tshi ḓivha zwori u ḓo wana ene parula after 25 years u khou vhuya hayani. So ndi khwine havha vhathu vha litshiwe vha dzule dzhele vha sikwe na parula ḓuvha ḽawe ḽo fa ḽi tshi swika a fe a dzhele. Vafunzi vosina vomadzini yavo ndifunza radio